Let the spirits broken hear the words unspoken. Still more stories yet untold. And I'm grateful still for the sun that shines, spirit, heart, and mind so clear. And I'm finding ways, doing all I can to be bigger than my fears. Every breath I take, I believe we are flying through the night. We're the light into the morning after. Through the wild, in this fight, and from the flames we will soar forever. We will rise, rise. We will rise, stronger together. Like a phoenix from the flames, we will rise up. Like a phoenix from the flames, we will rise up. Like a phoenix from the flames, we will rise up. Like a phoenix from the flames.